I can already see it. This week is gonna be a bit mental. I'm leaving to New Zealand on a Saturday, and as per usual, I have to do many things before that. Also, I just got a lovely message from my bank saying that because I'm turning 27 very soon, they decided to start charging me for having a bank account. Thank you. It's not like I'm already struggling at #adulting. I don't need another bill to pay at this moment. Anyway. I also got a whole lot of boxes this morning because I was doing some pre-holiday panic shopping a couple of days ago. So let me show you what I ordered. Boring parcel number 1, eye contacts. I feel really bad because I've just been like adjusting my prescription just, you know, randomly, because I got a bit more blind on the right eye and I haven't had time to go to the optician to like take the proper measurement. So this eye is still the same, -3, and then the other one used to be -3.5. Then I bought the -3.75 and it wasn't enough, so now I ordered -4. Basically, I am blind. And I also got the liquid to go with it, although I don't really need it because these are daily contacts, so at the end of the day I usually just throw them away. And I also got some drops because when I have my contacts in, my eyes get really dry, so I need fake tears basically. Then I also ordered actually 2 cases for my lenses, but I only got 1. So not sure what's going on. Okay, sorted out my order mishap in about 3 seconds, so that's good. Now let me move on to the exciting package. Barbara, who is behind the brand Slovenian Heritage, sent me some really cool postcards that she illustrated herself. On her website, in her online store, she actually sells a book about Slovenian myths and legends. So if you're interested in that, I'm gonna link Barbara's website down below so you can check out the book and everything else that she has in the store. As I've already shown you, she also sells these cool postcards. So when you're coming to Slovenia, instead of, you know, sending home the regular postcards you can find on every corner, like with the pictures of Ljubljana and Lake Bled, maybe you can support a local illustrator and buy her postcards instead. I think they're really beautiful. Let me show them to you more closely. This is the first one. This represents the legend of the water spirit. This one is the dragon of Postojna Cave. By the way, if you don't know this, in Postojna Cave we have a special little animal living that is also called the dragon, but it's actually Proteus. It looks like this. And we have the legend of King Matjaž. This represents Kurent, which is some sort of a figure that is typical for the carnival time in Slovenia. Let me show you how it looks like. Hope you can see, but this is Kurent. This is obviously a costume. It originates from a town called Ptuj. It is the oldest city in Slovenia. And yeah, every February, men from Ptuj usually dress up in these costumes and they go to the carnival and ring with these bells to kind of drive away the winter and welcome spring. This is the concept of the carnival in Slovenia. If you're around when this is going on, definitely check it out. Although I do warn you, maybe hide from Kurents. We were once celebrating, I think my grandma's birthday in a restaurant. And because the carnival was going on at the same time in my hometown, they walked into a restaurant and one of the Kurents actually wanted to take me away with him, which means that he like tried to grab me and like carry me out of the restaurant. And because I just freak out at this kind of things, like I have social anxiety anyways, and I don't deal with that kind of like situations very well, I like grabbed onto the table and like dragged it along with me. Everyone had a whale of a time apart from me, but yeah, this is something that couldn't like do. Obviously it's a joke, nobody's gonna hurt you, but me being me, I completely freaked out. And the funniest thing was that when they stopped, you know, they like took their masks off, and then my grandma yells from the other side of the restaurant, "Oh my god, Sandra, look how cute your couldn't is." It was hilarious, let me tell you, but not hilarious for me. I was mortified. Let me show you the last postcard in the collection. It is actually my favorite one. The design is so pretty and it's called the Gold Horn. Here is the close-up. The Gold Horn is actually the ibex that lives in the Slovenian mountains. My star sign is also Capricorn, so basically this is me. I really love the design, and I'm actually considering buying like a canvas bag or something with it because I just really like it. All the information will be linked in the description box below in case you want to buy any of these items and support Barbara. Give these a look and let me know below if you're gonna buy anything from her website. It is Wednesday today and I'm talking a bit more quietly. Slash with a very deep voice because my voice has decided to kind of leave the building. I think my immune system is just hitting the rock bottom because I haven't had any proper sleep in like a month and I've been all over the place. Anyway, today I went to Ljubljana because I desperately needed to buy some leggings for my trip, and I also had quite a lot of Christmas shopping left to do. Obviously, I'm not gonna show you what I got other people for Christmas, so I only have a couple of things to show you that I got myself. Let's start with these cute rings, which I'm not gonna do a close-up of, but they're just, you know, small rings. I actually like wearing my rings as knuckle rings. The reason I bought them is because last Saturday when I was out in Ljubljana, I lost two that were actually my favorite, and I'm really upset about it. The evil eye ring that I had, the evil eye just snapped off and fell down at the train station. I saw it, I heard it, but I couldn't find it anywhere, so I could like glue it back, although gluing it back wouldn't work anyway, so whatever. And then the other one I really liked as well, but yeah, I don't know what happened to that one. I got more socks, just boring black socks, because my washing machine has ate them all again. I had about 20 pairs, I have 2 left. Where are my socks? Then let me turn the camera to actually show you the rest of the stuff. Everything is just very boring and basic. This is like a really nice dusty pink jumper with long sleeves. It is super soft, like so comfortable. It was 15 euros. Then I got this jumper as well, which is a bit more sweatery like. It's fluffy, I don't know how to explain it. But it's also very soft. It almost feels like cashmere. This one has, I think it's called batwing sleeve, and it actually has a very high neckline. And then the reason why I went to Ljubljana, leggings, I didn't find any fancy schmancy leggings that I was looking for, like my Ivy Park ones that I really like. But I just got these two in H&M. This is the first pair, it's just basic black. The material is similar to the Ivy Park ones that I have, like very kind of soft. This is the detail on one leg. They were 15 euros, and I think this was 15 as well. Yeah, everything was 15 apart from these leggings. I think these were 25. Yeah, and these are the kind of material that I don't necessarily like, but this one was quite comfy, so it was fine. They have this detail on the side of the legs. It's like mesh, so you can see your skin through it. Normally I don't like this kind of details because it makes my legs look like a ham, but these are actually fine. They don't show as much skin and they are flattering. Also went to Dorothy Perkins, the little section that we have in a store called Emporium. By the way, this is not blood, these are swatches from the makeup store. I wanted to get the jeggings that I always wear. They didn't have my size, as per usual. I'm really struggling with not having those jeggings in my life, but I got their Shape and Lift jeans, but I had to get them in a size bigger, which you know, not ideal, but they didn't have any other size. The other size was like 2 sizes smaller than what I wear, so obviously I had to go bigger. These were 50 euros, way too expensive for what they are, but I need a backup. I also got an extra battery today that I ordered for my camera. They sent me this battery in this box. I mean, I also went to the pet shop to just see if they have snacks for Benji, because Benji, like I said before, is very picky with what he eats, and he only likes a certain range of snacks, which we have been struggling to get because for some reason they've been sold out for months everywhere in Slovenia. But yeah, today I stopped by and they just got the delivery in the morning, so I basically bought all the snacks. I literally emptied the store. The cashier probably thought I was crazy. She like kept laughing at me and I was just like, I know, it's ridiculous, but my dog only eats this type of snacks and we can't get them anywhere. And she was like, I know, I don't know what's going on. We don't get any deliveries anymore. So yeah, I bought everything. I spent 100 euros on snacks for Benji. So I hope he'll appreciate his early Christmas gift.
Benji, kaj pa je to? Christmas!
Oh! Kaj pa je to? Kaj pa je to?
Voila!
Look who's almost packed. I just need to put in my camera gear because everything's still charging. Oh, and these need to go in actually, because I need them for when I go to the coral reef. It's Friday evening today and I'm going to New Zealand tomorrow morning. I'm a little bit worried about my luggage because I can take 20 kilos for my flight to Dubai and then onwards I can take 30, but for my flight to Dubai and then for my flight to Rarotonga from New Zealand I can only have 20 and my luggage is already 21 and I still have to put a couple of things in. It's really difficult to pack for the whole month and only take 20 kilos with you, especially if you need summer and winterish clothes. In my carry-on I can only bring 7 kilos, which is mission impossible because my camera gear like all together it weighs like 12 kilos I think, so also not sure what I'm gonna do about that. But this is the bag I'm taking everything in, and it's not a huge bag, like it fits my stuff perfectly, but it is under the like dimension allowance. I can normally even slide it under my seat, but yeah, the weight is an issue, so I really hope they're not gonna weight my carry-on. Otherwise, I'm in big trouble and they better not make me put anything from my carry-on to my actual luggage, because there's nothing I cannot take on board. Like everything is very fragile and very expensive, like the cameras and the laptop isn't even allowed to go in the checked baggage, so keeping my fingers crossed that because of that they'll let me off the hook. But yeah, that's it for this vlog. Sorry it was really bad, but this week has been all over the place. I was just trying to get everything done before New Zealand, trying to pack, had to go to the stores. But from now on, it's all gonna be fun and games because the next vlog you're going to see will be from New Zealand. So I'll see you on the other side. Have an amazing holiday. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe if you want to see what I'm up to in New Zealand. I will see you guys, I don't know when, but when I do, you'll hear from me from New Zealand. Bye!
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking.